Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I just want to share with you how I achieved this simple hairstyle on my hair, which is simply spring twists with a bit of a twist. Get it? Anyway, on a serious note, yeah, so it's just spring twists on my hair with a bit of beads, fringe at the front. So keep on watching to see how I achieved this style, and I'm going to list all the products that I've used because I am starting on freshly washed hair. So I'll list everything in the description box. Everything that I've used will be there. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've just finished cleaning my hair and I'm drying it out with this lasso. Yeah, so let's see how the hair looks like. And usually I clean it in these twists because cleaning all my hair like without it being in parts, it just makes it more, it makes it tangle more, and you know with fussy hair it's a struggle. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold it up in a bun. Yeah, not too tight, and now I can start twisting my hair. So what I'll do is the same parts that I used to clean my hair, most of the time I'll divide it into 2 or 3 parts and just get 1 or 2 twist outs from that piece of hair. So what I'll do first is apply a bit of the leave-in conditioner, just enough to unravel the hair. And just be careful not to pull your edges too much. I will part this part of my hair into two equal parts like that. Like that. Then all I'm going to do is just twist clockwise. I believe this is clockwise. Yeah, like this. So one on top of the other. I'm trying to make it a bit tight at the bottom so that it looks neat. Yeah, and that is all. twisting my hair. As you have seen, I held most of the hair up in a bun like this and left the pieces of hair that I had braided falling forward, that I wanted to, the parts that I wanted to put the beads and, you know, create the fringe. So to install the beads, I don't know whether I've shown you the beads. These are the beads, and I got them from Best Lady for 95 shillings. And to install them, this is how they look like. They have a really small hole, and because something like a crochet is not going to go through this hole, I simply used a hairpin, this hairpin, and let me demonstrate that for you. So I'll use this piece of hair. So what you do, you just make sure that you put your hair in inside the, is it inside, not inside the pin, in between the two parts of the pin. And then, for example, to install the 4 beads like I have here, you just put the pin through the hair, not through the hair, through the bead, simply. Like that. And it's easy, you can do 4 of them at a go. So I'm going to do this for you. Put them up like that, and the last one. Then you can pull the hair all the way through like that. Then pull out the pin, push the beads as far as you want them to go. Then for the rest of the hair that is left hanging, what I simply did was a bantu knot, which is also going to prevent the beads from falling off. So just held it like that and form a bantu knot like that, simply. And that is how I got my fringe. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and comment down below. And if you also happen to do this hairstyle, please also let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.